Sekretari Chisemi yoye kaunti ya Nandi nigoboigo mawaziri we Chisemi omoya uyo menyeke na Julius Migosi Ogamba anyara koboga kwene kibuna omorobirio omoya uyore wa masomo onyara koboga gokoretwa ga sense ya Kenya uyo menyeke na CBC nigobekeirwe oboroso borobuya nande borobotingu elyo kwene kibuna abana ngwesuguma bare na masomo abo asenjira ere endonge.
Your Excellency, the value-based education is in fact a critical pillar of both the competency-based curriculum and the competency-based education and training that we continue to roll out in our education system under your very able leadership. I am confident that once the new curriculum runs full cycle across all the levels of education, our education system will cement its place in the world as one of the best. As part of this process, we are working with our universities to ensure that they are ready for the CBC cohort in 2029. As we do this, we are also implementing various reforms that are designed to enhance access, equity, and quality across all the levels of our education system. These include the student-centered funding model for higher education. Your Excellency, we have reoriented the processes under the funding model to make it more responsive to stakeholder concerns. As we gather here today, students due to join universities are receiving their revised admission letters, clearly indicating their respective household contributions to their fees. All public universities would have completed this exercise by tomorrow, the 19th of August 2024. In addition, Your Excellency, to enhancing access and equity in higher education financing, the student-centered funding model also seeks to revitalize our public universities and to place them on a path to sustainability. What our universities must do, however, is also to take deliberate measures to assure their own relevance and sustainability going into the future. Our universities, both public and private, must reinvent themselves.